This is SHOT Show 2025. Techfluid, Acre. I'm here with Parker, and thank you so much for the time, Ferro Concepts. What can we say? You know, this is the ultimate in the Gucci fucking body armor shit, carry shit on your body. Let's kind of go over what's going on in 2025.
Yeah, so we've made some improvements to the bison belt, which is now going to be called the Bora belt. And in some of those small improvements, we're now switching from Tegris to this new material called Curv, which is just stronger and tougher. And I love that. Honestly, I didn't like the look of Tegris. So
okay.
In every way better.
That's cool.
And now we've got our new chem cracker down here. So you just pull it from the back like that, and it cracks the chem light for you.
Cool.
Then also now we've got our new frag pouch, drop pouch coming out that you can either invert or you can have it standard vertical way. We've got this new deal in the back that goes into the belt, so that way you can clip in your helo hardness.
And this is rated. This is rated for helo.
Oh, that is, yeah.
Got you.
And then we've got a new 3D printed piece that goes into the end of the Bora belt. That'll help it so you can tighten, but you can't loosen unless you pop it out, so the belt won't get looser on you from using it.
Which is the 3D printed part? This thing?
That black piece.
Like this rubbery thing?
Yep.
Oh wow, it's like printed in TPU or something like that? Okay, got it. Yeah, so it's still the Cobra buckle, everything.
But now the Cobra buckle will be in FDE, and then black with the
shackle.
Yep, the shackle will. Thank you.
Very cool.
Yeah.
And what did you call this material?
It's called Curv.
Curv. Okay.
Yeah.
And what sets it apart from Tegris? Yeah.
So it's lighter, it's stronger, but it's the same price to the end user. So it's not like it's going to increase the price, but in every way, and it's got a better color. We can do tan and black, which I'm super stoked on.
For sure. So you guys getting into body armor?
Yeah, we got, so with TAC 11, that does our body armor now.
Yep, but multi-curve.
Yeah, right.
Oh, this is real light. This is...
Yeah, crazy light. And positively buoyant.
Okay. So you won't drown?
Yeah.
And this is, you said this is level 3 right here?
That, I believe this one's 3.
This is ridiculous. It doesn't feel real, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Awesome.
Cool.
I
got it.
And obviously it's shockproof as well.
Yeah, right. It's not like what do you call it? Ceramic, where you gotta x-ray it to see if there's any hairline fractures or whatever. Like, it's not like that.
How long, what's the shelf life on these
So
things?
7 years, I believe it says on this guy. 7 years, yeah. Manufacturer ballistic warranty. Cool. And then over here, I'm really stoked on this. This is one of our new front panels. It's kind of like the best of both worlds. So then you can run like a kangaroo pouch. All your mags in there, and then you also have in the front for putting whatever in there. You got shock cord or igniters or whatever.
Very cool. Yeah, this is like super slick, guys.
Yeah,
super slick. Yeah, G hooks up here. Okay.
Yep. Cool. Same front flap system that can go into our plate carriers or our chest rigs.
It's like all super modular.
Yeah.
Awesome. Can you talk a little bit about price points right here with these guys?
For the TAG 11 plates?
Sure.
So these are still like being worked out, the exact prices on them, but they'll probably be in the close to probably more than 9, less than 1,000 price range per plate.
Wow. Okay. Yeah. Very reasonable. And how about some of these guys? Like
same
the chem
price
lights?
for the bison belt. I don't know how much the chem cracker. This is going to be only Gov sales at first.
Sure.
But because this Curv doesn't cost more than Tegris, it shouldn't be an increase in price.
That's awesome.
It's just improving it.
How about all these bad boys right here?
This is still like in a final prototype phase, so I'm not sure what that's going to cost. But a K-Tar, we're bringing back the MP2 inserts so we can get those back out. Tiers, same thing, and then the dope, and then the kangaroo front flap.
Yeah, awesome.
So we got down here our PC V5, Ferro Concept plate carrier V5, and that's just got a kangaroo front flap with our quad SMG. Yep. And then same sort of thing on this one. It's got Curv now in it, and we've upgraded the cummerbund to have more elastic in the backside, so that way it doesn't, if it's underweight or you have whatever 60 pouch on it, it's gonna still go with you, but it's not gonna stay out. It's like we would see them like if they're underweight just staying out here, but they're still gonna suck back in now. Okay. And this is a prototype of a push talk holder that it works with our Adapt system.
Yeah, that's awesome.
So
okay, so this prototype right now, and I could, let's just say I already have one of these carriers. I could like just buy the cummerbund separate, right? And
you buy front and rear plate bag, come together, and then you pick if you want to get the this is the 3AC 3-inch assault cummerbund.
Yep.
Or if you want to get the full elastic cummerbund like we have over there on that slickster. So this is the full slickster plate carrier, but it'll work with the 3AC or with that carry elastic cummerbund, either one.
Awesome.
Everything's with us, like front flaps, cummerbunds, everything. It works on both.
Totally.
You know, super modular.
Totally.
But over here we've got our chesty V2.
Yep.
And this is the mini. And then down here we have the wide. The big improvements, I know we were like still in the prototype phase back at the last SHOT Show, but now these are actually out, is all the different systems to make it stronger, the comms routing in it, and then the wings on the wide are now, these are Curv, but they're going to be, I mean, these are Tegris, but they're going to be Curv.
Yep.
And just so if you're running comms or whatever, it can hold that weight.
Totally. Totally. Yeah, the sag was definitely an issue. At
Totally.
least my friends
I'm with you.
were telling me. But yeah, this is cool. Making it more rigid.
Yeah.
Awesome. Cool. Awesome. So are these mostly coming out this year? You know?
These are both out.
Okay.
It's more like the front flaps, and then the these will still be improved because like this is Tegris back here. That'll be Curv. Everything's gonna be switched over to Curv.
Awesome. Yeah, yeah. I love the H harness right here, bro.
Yeah, it's solid.
Man, so y'all see Ferro, man, like the way that they drop, the way you guys drop the stuff on your website, I feel like I'm trying to buy Supreme, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So it's like I really appreciate what they're doing for just like all the body armor and you know, protective technologies. So thank you so much.
Yeah, great talking with you, man.
Yeah, salute. Techfluid, SHOT Show 2025. We out here, Ferro Concepts. I'm gonna link everything in the show notes and like, yo, pick you up some of this shit, man. Peace.